Welcome to this quick tutorial on fixing the TikTok search not working issue. If you are encountering the could not load, try again error or any other search related error while searching on TikTok, follow these simple steps to resolve the problem. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. Check if you are connected to Wi-Fi or using mobile data. Switch between them if needed, and test your connection by opening another app or website. Next, clear TikTok cache. Open your device settings, scroll down to apps or app management, find TikTok in the list. Tap on it, go to storage and select clear cache. Restart the app and try searching again. If clearing the cache doesn't work, check for updates. Open the Google Play Store or App Store, search for TikTok and see if an update is available. Install the update and relaunch TikTok. Still having issues? Force stop the app. Go back to the TikTok app settings, tap Force Stop and confirm. Then reopen TikTok to check if the issue is resolved. Finally, if none of these steps work, uninstall and reinstall TikTok. Long press on the TikTok app icon, select uninstall and confirm, then visit the Google Play Store, download TikTok again, and log into your account. These steps should fix the TikTok search issues on your device. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.